Hi, this is Erica, and this is the video for the lab week 7. So I downloaded this file. Here's the file that I downloaded. Okay, and here is my program. If you can see, I have the test file, and inside this file I have the program, which is this one right here that I'm working on. And then I have the Teams CSV file. So I'm gonna start just right here, so you can see that this is my program right here. We'll open the CRV file and read, and this is what it is right here. Just open and read. Okay, so now I'm gonna just move this here. I'm just working in parts. It was just easier for me to start this way. So I'm gonna run again, and it's gonna ask me enter the name of your file input. My file input is my CSV file. File input, enter the name of your file input. It's my CSV file, so it's teams.csv. And then enter the name of your output file. That's my text file. This is going to convert my CSV file into my text file. And I'm going to name the same teams.text. Enter. As you can see over here, it created a new file for me. So the CSV file created a same file, but it's a text. And here it is. Everything is in here. So I just converted the CSV file to a text file, and this is what it did. So CSV file was an input, enter the name of your input file, text file, enter the name of your output file. So with open, so I don't have to worry about closing, a text file, which is this, what we're going to open a text file as write. We're going to write a new file, which is a text file, as my output file. So first, it opens the CSV file as a read. It's going to read the CSV file to create a new file, a text file as write. So the CSV file is my input, and the text file is my output. So with my output file, which is a write, I'm going to write the file. It's going to basically open it's converting the CSV file into a text file. So this is what it did right here. CSV file.read, my input file. And then my output file, it closes my output file right here. So this basically converts the CSV file to the text file. Okay, and then let me just move this down right here. Okay. And I was working like in parts. This is why I'm opening. It closed right here, so I'm opening here again. And you're gonna see that I'm opening with the open in all of them. But it's just because I was working in parts. So this right here, we'll read the columns, the titles, just the first part, which is just the titles. So let me stop this right here, because I don't want it to keep reading all the time. Alright, so now, oops, what did I do? Hold on. Alright, let me just go from here. Alright, so this part right here, it opens the Teams text file for I and file, and then the columns. It will read the columns right here. So it's just the first column, which is weird because it should be. I want to do like this and see if this is gonna work. Hold on. I want just this part to work. Here we go. There you go. It opened the Teams.txt file, and then it's reading for me just with the split function, just the first column, just this part right here. Just this part right here, the first line basically. So basically, I want to read the first column. Oh, I guess I named it wrong. It shouldn't be column, right? It should be raw. I don't know. It worked. The way I named it, I guess it's weird. And then I put a stop point, the same as you did, stop point here. So then here, down, there you go. This is gonna read the column title and the line. Hold on. And the line. Sorry, I just got confused here. This is gonna read the column and title and the line to 869. It's just like a random number that I picked. The heck? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It was all working fine. This thing, I think it's messing up. Hold on. There you go. Let's stop this right here, this part. There you go. Alright, so this reads only column titles. But now I want to stop this part. Oh, and I want to read column title and line. And this is something here. There you go. I had way too many of this that I didn't need it, I guess. But now it's reading both of them together, so I have to stop this right here. I want just read this part. Here we go. Sorry about that. This reads only the title as the first one and reads line 2869, which is 2018 Boston Red Sox at the Fenway Park. Alright, so now I'm gonna go to the last one. The last one will basically read the first same one column, the titles. We'll read the line 1, line 1000, 1760, 2805. Oops, I stopped this, sorry. It's just getting me confused right here. There you go. The title. Line 1, line 1000, 1760, 2805. It's just like random numbers that I picked. To be honest, I don't really know what you want besides converting the file from CSV to text. I'm sorry about that. I hope this is what you're looking for. And I'm gonna send you the copy of my my codes. All right, that's it.